Hi friends! Every recommendation I'm going to give you has been tested here in the shop, so don't worry. This has a solution. If your Chevy Equinox suddenly shows the message Service Battery Charging System, it doesn't mean your SUV is about to die. What it's really telling you is, hey, something's not right with my battery charging system and I need to be checked. Basically, the car has detected that the battery isn't charging properly and may shut down or limit certain functions to protect it. The most common cause, according to mechanics here, is the battery or alternator. If the battery is old or the alternator isn't delivering enough voltage while driving, the ideal range is between 13.5 volts and 14.5 volts. The system triggers the warning. Many mechanics report that replacing the battery or checking the alternator solves the problem immediately. Another important detail is loose or corroded connections. Dirty terminals, loose ground wires, or poorly connected harnesses can make the system think the battery isn't charging, even if everything is fine. Cleaning and tightening these cables is often enough to make the warning disappear, according to real mechanic experiences and forum reports. Sometimes the culprit is the battery current sensor, a small device that monitors the energy going in and out. If it fails or disconnects, the car may display the warning even if the battery and alternator are fine. Replacing or inspecting this sensor has solved the problem in many reported cases. Some mechanics also notice that the message appears intermittently, especially right after turning off the engine and before opening the door. This can be due to temporary voltage readings or even software glitches in the battery management system, BMS. In these cases, a BMS reset or software update usually clears the warning without any problems.